There are a few really weird things that have happened to me in life. Yesterday, one of those things happened.
Foxfire, Foxfire. A lost parrot chose his new mom at the mailbox.
Yeah, we're talking about you. Anything you want to say? Hip hip? Hip hip?
It all started on a quiet, normal day while she was walking back from her mailbox. Suddenly, one of her neighbors came sprinting across the front yard, calling out for her help. When Sophie followed her, she saw a stunning, vibrant rainbow parrot sitting in the grass. The moment Sophie stepped near him, the bird hopped right onto her shoulder. He did not seem scared at all. In fact, he simply would not leave her side. The neighbors were overwhelmed and asked if she could please take him in. Sophie agreed and walked toward her house. Even as she opened her door, the parrot stayed perched on her shoulder.
Station. He landed on my shoulder when I was getting the mail. I brought him into the house.
She worried he might suddenly fly away back into the trees, but he stayed perfectly still. He has not left the comfort of her home since that day. It has been several months now, and she named him Foxfire. Foxfire, Foxfire.
Morning, Foxfire. How are you today? How'd you sleep last night?
He is a very affectionate little soul. He spends a lot of his time preening Sophie and her husband. It is his special way of showing that they are part of his inner circle. At first, Sophie tried very hard to find his original owners. She knew a bird this beautiful was valuable, and she imagined someone was heartbroken over losing him. She checked national registries, contacted pet stores, and searched the entire region. Surprisingly, nobody was looking for him.
Where'd you come from, huh? Bourbon County?
Her neighbor mentioned seeing the bird flying around the woods for at least 3 weeks before he was rescued. It is truly a miracle that Foxfire survived. The local woods are full of dangerous predators, and a bright, colorful bird stands out like a sore thumb.
Oh, yes!
Sophie is constantly amazed by his strength. She calls him a little warrior because of everything he must have endured on his own. He is very small, but he is also incredibly tough. Sophie decided early on not to keep him in a cage. Foxfire did not seem to like being confined, so he has the freedom to fly through the house whenever he wants. She noticed that as it gets dark, he naturally looks for a place to rest. She set up a little area with soft bedding, and he tucks himself in every single night. Sophie believes birds should be free, so she provides perches and toys in every room of the house. He even has a special swing she built just for him. Foxfire is a full member of the family now. During movie nights, he joins in on the fun. They pop him his own personal serving of plain popcorn with no salt or butter. He loves to sit with his flock and enjoy the show. He always wants to be close to the people he loves. Sophie feels sad thinking that someone simply left this perfect, colorful little bird. He belongs.
He loves to sing.
Foxfire! Every animal deserves a home where they feel safe and loved. If you are thinking about rescuing a special creature, please do your research first. They require a big commitment. If you enjoyed Foxfire's story, please like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming animal videos. WishPause is built on real connections and honest moments, always sourced responsibly and credited with respect. Through thoughtful editing, moving music, and genuine visuals, we strive to make every story breathe. Your support inspires us. We look forward to bringing you our next meaningful narrative.